Hello and welcome to the Asset Building Clinic. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to become an active member by completing the Financial Empowerment Roadmap Survey. This survey helps you figure out how to structure your learning within the Your Money, Your Goals toolkit. So in the event that you still haven't received your toolkit, please access it under the Axe tab, and you just scroll down, hit More Details, and here it is. So this is the Your Money, Your Goals toolkit. It's quite long, so this is why we're going to use this tool to help you navigate through it and determine what parts you still need to focus on. So the goal of this survey is to assess where you are in your financial knowledge and what areas you can still review in the Your Money, Your Goals toolkit to become more financially empowered. So when we go back to the Axe page, as you can see in a minute, you can also access the survey here. Now keep in mind that this is a two-step survey. Step 1 helps you assess your current financial situation, and step 2 gives you a personalized roadmap of areas you can review in your YMYG toolkit to become more financially empowered. You can access the first part of the survey by clicking onto the Financial Empowerment Roadmap survey marked in blue. So you just put your email address. You may have to hit next. So I'll just go ahead and put mine. And then you fill out the survey. Obviously, I'm just putting in random answers. Everyone's going to have different answers depending on where they are. Okay, so once you're done, you just hit submit. And once you fill out the survey, you should receive an email with the survey. Okay, so once you receive your survey, that will be emailed to you automatically. You will need to upload it in order to provide evidence of having completed the survey. So now I will just show you how to upload it. You go into the print icon and go into save as PDF. You can go ahead and save it. I'd already one with this name, but that shouldn't come up for you. And then you're going to go ahead and upload it on the site. So I will show you how to do that. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how to upload your survey. Starting from the home page, you have to make sure that you are logged in, otherwise you cannot upload it. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. and then you are in the Axe page. You go to the survey, and then you scroll all the way down. And here, you go ahead and choose your file. I saved under the desktop. Hit open and upload. And that's it. You have just uploaded the survey. You will see the under review tab, and that's all you have to do. Okay, now that you've done the first part of the act of the roadmap survey, I'm going to show you how to do step 2 of the same survey. So we're going to go ahead and log in. And because you have uploaded the first act, when you scroll down, you actually don't have the roadmap survey. So in order to find it, it's important that you go into under review. You click that, and here it is. So now we go into the key. And this key is there for you to check your answers and see which ones you have gotten correct in order to figure out what you still could work on in the Your Money, Your Goals toolkit. So in order to figure out your answers, you need your original roadmap survey, which you had been emailed and you uploaded, and you compare your answers of your roadmap survey to the answer key. So here, if I compare my answers, I missed a number. So on number 1, I marked false, so this is correct. So I don't have to do anything with this module. But number 2, I answered true when in fact the answer is false. So that's module 2 that I would have to review. And so here I would mark the modules that I could review based on my answers. So in my case, it was number 2, 4, 6, and 9. So then I continue. Okay, so once you have finished filling out step 2, checking your answers and determining which parts of the module you need to review, go ahead and upload it the way you did with the first step. And once you have uploaded it, you will also receive it in your email. So these, just to make sure you understand these modules that you are still to review, the ones that you have received. So this is something you will receive in your email, the key, again, okay, after you have filled it out. And you scroll down, and this is basically the key that you have answered. So here, the modules that are good for you to review will be listed. So you go into your toolkit, and so in this case, for example, I have tracking income and benefits module that I could review. So I go into the table of contents, and this is going to be module 3. So this part of the toolkit is one that I could review to deepen my financial knowledge. Okay, so once again, you finish filling out the survey, you upload it, and then once you have done all of that, you will have also received the email with your answers, and then based on the answers that you have, then you determine what module you can review on your money, your goals toolkit, okay? Because it's a big manual and you can go ahead and go through the whole thing, but this really just kind of gives you, again, the roadmap of what parts of the toolkit you can review to build your financial knowledge. Okay, well, that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to either comment or email us, and